the old family. I'm watching an episode on diecast loonie and through Paul and show the wheel swaps. A whole bunch of different ones. On the kind of the same act. Chevelle, wide body, Chevelle, the dragster style, old Corvette there, detailed back lights, and Datsun 510 wagon, AMC Scout, Javelin, AMC. Howdy, alright. And that's Atomica. Carrier like that one. That's what city's covered too, is a hatchback. And Das Auto. Volvo ended. Wheel swapped. A modern Camaro of 2017. Oh, 18, sorry. With a set of salmon wheels. Barracuda. Dun, 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 dun. And here's an older wheel swap, way older. One of my original General Lees. And okay. Holden. Holden show a lot more. There's a custom wheel swap there. 3D Metal Mania TV. Custom I did. There's a total wheel swap custom. Oh, that was Shackaway, but yeah. Here.